Hell no! If I knew about this before we got married, no! Hell no! No? If you want it, take it. I should have said this before, but I found out just recently. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. And rain came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I can finally breathe. And by morning, gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. Duh! Nakita mo ba yung post? I said I found out about it 3 weeks ago, like this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah, I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there. Okay lang yan, Day, kasi di man din maganda yung si bitch. Bitch daw siya, diba? So, kung bitch siya, mas bitch ako. Wala nang advice, Day. Hindi na uubrang advice sa'yo. Isa kang tanga.